Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install free AODs on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So do a swipe up and go to settings, then scroll down to where you have themes, tap on that. Now, once you're here, you will see at the bottom there next to menu AODs, right? Now, as you can see, these ones are paid, but you can easily find free ones, right? So simple scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find a bunch of free options. I know mine is not in English right here, so pardon that, but you can see below each of these AODs that you can see that they're free. So all you have to do, just whenever you find something that you like, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and tap on it and you will see download. So you just need to tap on download, and once you tap on download, just click on apply. You can choose where you want it. You can click on image only or clock on image and just select the one. I will say, for example, click on image and just simple click on, you will see that, and you will see that it applied there, right? So all you have to do, once it's applied, you'll be able to see it on your clock, or you will be able to see it on your image, so you can easily go ahead and you can find your clock and so forth, right? So, and if you somehow want to go back to the default and you don't really want to have that anymore, all you have to do is just simply go back, go to your menus on the lower right hand side, then click on my stuff and just click on AOD and you will be able to see default. So you can simply go ahead, click on default and go back to your default. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple, guys.